You've probably heard the advice, build more projects to become a better software developer. But nobody ever explains how to do that or how to even do that in a sustainable, fun way. The truth is that most junior devs are stuck in tutorial land or grinding away at LeetCode, chasing jobs they're not even that excited about. But there's another way. It's called vibe coding. It's a mindset that lets you build real, tangible software and keeps you growing without burning out. The truth is that the developers who master vibe coding aren't just quicker, they're happier, they land jobs faster, they build cooler projects, and they genuinely enjoy the process. Let me show you how and how to get started. Long before vibe coding was even a thing, back in 2013, when I was starting to learn how to code, the best developers followed a very similar rhythm. Sketch an idea, dive straight into the code, and iterate rapidly. They were vibe coding with a purpose without even knowing it. In university, we joked, nobody actually codes, they just copy from Stack Overflow. And honestly, that was true. Everyone grabbed snippets to get unstuck. But here's the crucial detail most miss. The students who copied strategically, copied with an intention, those were the ones who truly got ahead. Later in my career, I saw it again. Those who obsessed over every single line of code, rarely shipped any projects on time, or made any significant progress. Meanwhile, those who jumped in, made mistakes, iterated, were the ones who truly got ahead. And yes, there's anxiety around AI-assisted coding. If I let the AI write my code, won't I lose my skills? That fear is natural, but it misses the point. Purposeful vibe coding doesn't just make you faster, it deepens your skills and understanding. When you embrace vibe coding, you lock into the powerful feedback loop. Build, test, refine, and repeat. The loop isn't just about getting things done faster. It's a powerful engine for continuous learning. You'll chip faster, learn deeper, and truly enjoy coding. That's the key difference between a good and a great developer. The magic is the feedback loop. But remember, it only works when you vibe code with purpose. The great news is, vibe coding with purpose has never been easier than it is today. We're surrounded by amazing AI tools that let you jump right in. Today, I'm gonna show you how to approach purposeful vibe coding to achieve maximum impact. First off, tools don't matter, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, or Windsurf. Personally, I use ChatGPT and Cursor, but I know folks who swear by the others. They're all great, pick one, and then pick a project. But don't waste time looking for the perfect project. If you're stuck, just start simple. Build the classical to-do list. But here's the secret sauce. How you interact with the AI matters. Treat the AI like your super smart friend who knows a ton, but could definitely get things wrong, especially when you're not clear with your intentions. So slow down and be intentional with what you ask. You can start by asking something like, I want to build a fully featured to-do app that I'm going to deploy on AWS with data persistence, a front end and a back end, and a database. Can you outline that for me? This prompt sets your clear purpose. From here, vibe coding is about collaborating with the AI, not just handing it off task. You want to learn while you code. Break it into manageable tasks. For example, say something like, show me the front end scaffolding and show me how to run it locally. Pause here, this is crucial. You gotta try the code. Understand broadly what it's doing and ask questions. It's fine not to understand every crucial detail immediately. Find the right balance to understand enough to keep going, but don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. When you feel comfortable enough with what you build, move on to the next part. Ask it something like, now show me the backend. Remember, keep building. I can't stress this enough. Build, build, build. Taking big projects one step at a time, getting real feedback, that's the power of vibe coding. But you have to build. By the end, you won't just have code, you'll have real projects that sharpen your skills far better than any amount of reading could have ever done. You'll have tangible evidence of your abilities, which is exactly what employers are looking for. With AI tools, tapping into this constant feedback loop by vibe coding with a purpose has never been easier. If the only thing you take away from this video is to build and use AI to assist you, then I've succeeded. Great developers are not those who never fail. They are those who try, learn, and keep going. If purposeful vibe coding feels overwhelming, then just vibe code. Bring the purpose later. The important thing is you start building. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like hearing about how I started using Cursor. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.